what happens when a person overstays that visa? So you're not necessarily overstaying the visa, Sean. What you are doing is you're basically overstaying the time that Customs and Border Patrol gave you. And so if a person was given 6 months and they stayed past those 6 months, meaning they did not depart before the 6 months expired, they basically are now out of status. They're out of lawful status in the United States. And there's two factors that come into play. You can be an individual who's out of status, meaning you've stayed longer than you're allowed to. And then you can also, when you're out of status, you can start to accrue what we call unlawful presence. And that kind of becomes, a little bit more of a complicated issue if you remain here past the expiration of your stay. It starts to limit the things you might be eligible to apply for in terms of immigration benefits. It could potentially become a triggering issue for some bars. We have what we call 3-year bars, 10-year bars, permanent bars if you stay for a longer period of time and then depart the United States. So, to answer the question in the most simple way that I can, if you overstay the duration of time that you are given by Customs and Border Patrol, it could have pretty severe consequences for an individual. And as you've seen nowadays, that could potentially mean being detained by ICE and placed into removal or deportation proceedings.